I really like the business aspect of running a club. And that's what these students are going to need moving forward. Yes, it's great that they might become a golf pro, but we want them to expand their knowledge, to be able to multitask, to be able to understand the complete operation. We're looking for entrepreneurs. We're looking for people who can think outside the box. And those are the ones who are really going to succeed in our industry.
I had already worked in the golf industry for a number of years, and I was looking for something in that field, and what Fanshawe offered was perfect for what I was looking for.
There is so much opportunity for our students in industry right now.
They have a chance to understand food and beverage, grounds, which greatly enhances their ability to not only work with our team, work with the outside team, but work with our members.
I figured what's better than joining in an industry of something that you absolutely love day in and day out.
We have a year-round program. In the summertime, obviously, it's golf season. Everything's up and hopping, and then in the wintertime, we have a winter golf academy where I can teach lessons in the basement, which is excellent. We get about 40 to 50 people per day.
When a member or somebody asks you for advice, I mean, that is one of the biggest compliments that you could get, and I want to make sure that our students are not only going through our program and learning the proper things, but when they exit the program, they're going to continue to learn these things and continue to better themselves with the knowledge in the industry so that they can better help our members and our guests and grow the game as a whole. That's what our goal is.